All right. So this might sound like a weird question at first, but hear me out. Can you actually claim yourself as a dependent on your taxes? Yeah, I know. You're probably thinking, wait, isn't that just called being an adult? Exactly. But a lot of people do wonder this, especially when they're filing on their own for the first time. So here's how it really works. You can't claim yourself as a dependent because in tax terms, you're the taxpayer. And dependents are usually someone else you're supporting, like a child or a relative. So nope, no self-dependent option. Now, years ago, there was this thing called a personal exemption. You'd basically get a small tax break just for existing. But the IRS scrapped that in 2018, so don't worry, you're not missing anything new. The good news? If no one else is claiming you, like a parent, you still get the standard deduction, which for 2025 is about $14,600 if you're filing single. That's a big chunk of your income that won't be taxed. And depending on your situation, you might also qualify for tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Saver's Credit. That means more refund or less tax owed. So to wrap it up, no, you can't claim yourself as a dependent. But if you're living on your own and no one else is claiming you, you're still getting real tax benefits, just through different parts of the return. All right, that's it. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone figuring out taxes for the first time. And hey, if you need help filing, reach out at skfinancial.com or call 813-322-3936. We'll take care of it.